With millions of Americans facing job loss amid the COVID-19 pandemic, unemployment benefits are more critical than ever. Under the CARES Act, Missouri now has 3 federal unemployment programs in addition to the state's unemployment insurance. This includes the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program, the Federal Pandemic Unemployment Compensation Program, and the Pandemic Emergency Unemployment Program. James Guest, the director of the Volunteer Lawyers Program at Legal Services of Eastern Missouri, explains each program, eligibility, and how to apply.
If you apply for Missouri's unemployment insurance program, that is where your benefits will come from. The Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program, PUA, simply expands the number of people who are eligible for benefits. And so, as I said, it applies to people who would not otherwise be eligible for Missouri's unemployment insurance program. So we're talking about people who might own a business, self-employed individuals, gig workers, independent contractors, individuals who might not have a sufficient work history to qualify for traditional unemployment benefits. Those people are eligible for benefits, but they are eligible under this Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program, PUA. And it is a program that, as I said, broadens the number of people involved, eligible. PUC, Pandemic Unemployment Compensation Program, expands the amount of money that's available. So whether you're eligible under the traditional plan or the PUA, the PUC provides $600 per week additional funding. And so it is an amazing benefit. And people who apply, people who are eligible either under the traditional program or the new PUA are also eligible for this PUC, this additional $600. The PEUC, again, expands benefits for people either who qualify under the traditional program or the new PUA program, and it expands the amount of time. So it adds an additional 13 weeks of benefits for people who are eligible.
All applications for both the state and federal programs are done through You Interact on the State of Missouri's Department of Labor website.
It is a fairly straightforward online application, and you simply put in some demographic information and especially information about your prior employment. So the things you will need when you go to that application is first your Social Security number, any sort of address, age, demographic information. Also, any bank information you have. The quickest and easiest way to get unemployment benefits is a direct deposit into your bank account. So if you have a bank account, please bring or have ready for your application your routing number and your account number. You can get benefits without a bank account, just know that, but it's slower. What you will get is sort of a debit card, and it will be loaded with funds. It's just not as quick or is not as easy. As I said, the initial application is pretty straightforward, but there are new programs, there's new eligibility requirements, there's new information you need. The bottom line is we want to make sure people who are eligible are accessing the benefits they need and are entitled to make sure that they can survive. State of Missouri has some very good resources that are available to the public online. One is called labor.mo.gov coronavirus, and one is called mo.gov work unemployment. Both of these sites really provide excellent information about the process, about eligibility, about benefits. One of them has a video on how to apply. But I also want people to know that they can contact legal services because we are here to answer those same questions. So.
For additional information on all of these topics and more, including videos and webinars, visit Legal Services of Eastern Missouri on their Facebook page. You can also learn more and apply for their services by calling them at one of the numbers listed on your screen or visiting lsem.org.